Today we got to clean out this Trane condenser. So it doesn't look like it's been serviced for a while. My head pressure is 191 and the suction pressure is 35. So I have a 50 degree superheat and 9 degrees subcool. I'm not sure if this is expansion valve. No, it's not. It's a capillary tube setup. But the filters were, these were the filters. So I'm going to wash the evaporator out too. You can see it's icing up. This is New Bright. Using New Bright, it works pretty good. It foams. I like the way it foams. It cleans good too. I'll rinse it off with the pressure washer. That'll make sure I get. I'm using the foam to soften everything. These units are pretty old. They were manufactured in, it looks like 1298. They're old R22 systems. There we go. I can access it from this end here. That's coming through on the other side. That's good. out of it. Hasn't been clean in quite a few years. Look how muddy this is. Okay, I have 177 head pressure and 33 pounds suction pressure, a 52 degree superheat. So it looks like I'm going to add some 22. I've got a 16 degree TD across the evaporator. The air coming out is 52 according to it. That seems a little odd, but probably because it's so low. Okay. if you can see this. It's R22. I've got 66 pounds suction pressure, 256 head pressure, and 11-12 degrees superheat. My air coming out is 51. I've got a 22 degree TD across the evap for an old system. And my suction line temperature is 49, and I think 47 is, it'll probably hit 47 after you know, period of, after running, the store gets cooler, the restaurant gets cooler. Now we've got to go turn this one off, and I've got to work on that one and then that one. Oh, I did take my condenser TD. I've got a 28 degree, 29 degree TD. The air coming in is 77 today. And I don't know, I can't see anything on my screen, my phone here. If I was using it for my gauges, I don't know what I have to get a cardboard box or something. Put my head in the cardboard box with it. Got to work on that one and then that one. But that's pretty much it for today, guys.